Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Kazang account, a linked payment method, and device permissions for location and notifications. Once done, open the app and sign in. Make sure your profile details match your payment info to avoid verification delays. Tap the home icon to access services immediately. This first step gets you into the app securely and places you at the starting menu where you can select bill pay, purchase bundles, or top-up accounts without extra setup. You now navigate the core flow. Pick the service you need, then enter the recipient account or phone number carefully. Errors cause failed transfers. Once you input the amount, choose your payment source and check displayed fees and total. Proceed by authorizing with PIN, biometric, or OTP. This ensures secure completion. After payment, wait for the confirmation screen and an SMS or receipt inside the app. If you plan repeated payments, save the recipient as a favorite to speed up future transactions. To finish, confirm the transaction appears in history and that you received a receipt. Keep the reference ID for records. If a payment shows pending or fails, first check your network and balance. Then force close and reopen the app, refresh the history, and look for delayed confirmations. If issues persist, contact Kazang support with the reference ID, screenshots, and timestamps so they can escalate quickly. A single troubleshooting tip: save the reference and a screenshot immediately. This speeds resolution when.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.